Andito na naman ako sa office ko. Office ni Mami Laura. Sa kusina. Ayun, nag-bake na po tayo kasi para maaga tayo matapos. I-reheat natin ang ating oven. Ayan, okay. So, andito na ang ating pandesal. Wow. Tapos ito ang para sa mga bata. Ayan, magbalot na po tayo. I thought just taking a shower. I thought you ran away. Good?
شو هون يعني؟
هيدا ساتر يعني ساتر بلدورة يعني هيدا ساتر بلدورة بيتزا رول هيدا 4 شوكولات هون
بيتزا رول هون بيتزا رول
هيدا 4
قديش صاروا؟ 3 5 2 3 5 5 15 اوكي حطي ورقة على الناس
She's walking.
It's good
Ito ang ating pandesal. Ayan. Pandesal, ayan, ready to serve na po. Ready to, sell. Na may filling. Nilagyan ko agad ng filling kasi sabi ni Mr. baka hindi daw nila magustuhan kapag plain lang. Sa kanya, okay lang na plain. Pero yung iba, baka hindi kasi nila magustuhan pag plain lang. Kaya nilagyan ko siya ng filling. Lamig. Umuulan siya, oh. Show me. Lebanese selling bread. Pinoy bread.
We'll begin with the one.
Yes.
Tomorrow, inshallah, it will begin too.
Yes. I will check if how we will pack. I've come in Haida if.
لا, I will give like this.
Huh?
Tomorrow. If I didn't finish the matter of Bassam, he wants to search yesterday. And I will tell him today what happened. If I didn't finish, I will give him a hand. نجيب one to be closed, but from up transparent so people can see. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Take care. Alis ka siya. Yan yung paninda niya. Pandesal. Pero yung order nila is Spanish, guys. Kaya lang first time kong gumawa yan. What's that? Ah.
Yeah.
Haida, when they give in the Haida.
Take the box before you sleep.
Ah, like this we need hand to cover it. You know? Like the stick.
هلا we can put نحن هذا cling film over it. It's stick كمان.
King fling.
King film.
No, Haida king fling. It will
It will.
not
بعد
nice.
when they remove it.
Haida like this. It's
Anyway.
Oh.
Take the farm since yesterday.
no, hala, when it stopped
They're
there.
still on their PP.
What's your wife?
But,
Nila ba? Alis na siya. Saan kaya makabili ng ganitong plastic kung makapal siya? Pang cover namin. Kasi pag i-plastic namin, tingin daw si Mr. ng magandang plastic. Sa Beirut. Kasi dito sa amin, titingin ako sa mga shop, wala siya. Ayan, bye. God bless you. Alis na siya. Ay, malamig. Yan.
You're also Milo?
Hello, wait, I will boil you. Ito ba yung water? Yan, mag-Milo po tayo. Kagigising ko lang, natulog ako. Pati mga bata. Kagigising lang namin. So, ito na ang breakfast namin. Ayan, super.
I'll take the za'atar.
Yan, yan.
I'll take
The will eat more.
Mommy, I'll take the butter.
What the hell are you doing?
Shoe butter. The butter.
Mapi butter.
You said butter. There it is.
Cheese, mama, cheese.
Take
Yan,
it here.
bikin na, bikin na.
Take.
Akin na. Yan. I told you, put the jacket, you don't listen.
The camera here.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
I got pizza.
I got za'atar. Can you eat za'atar?
What do you want to eat today? Spinach you want?
Mince meat or rice?
Okay.
I will go buy. If they will come, I want to buy.
I don't think they will come. I think she'll come late.
Welcome.
How you know?
I don't know. Obviously.
Teta?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Dad.
but she
Dad.
did not bring her things.
Only her bag.
You need the bag, white bag or the black?
The black one. Shouldn't eat, Mom. It's a bag. Maybe za'atar. This one is za'atar.
Like that. That's all
Ay,
right.
dasata.
Beside the orange cheese. Oh, pizza.
Ayan, kain po tayo, guys.
Sarap. Sarap?
Mm-hmm. Where's the chocolate?
I don't know. No more chocolate. Hey, chocolate?
Yeah, dasata.
I want this one.
How do you know what's inside? Hey, Mommy, hey, cheese.
Oh, yeah, hey. I think I know the za'atar. Mommy, Ate has za'atar.
Hey, no. Yesterday you ate chocolate.
Take a piece.
I'll take the whole. Raul.
You know, I'm so I know because the shape, like Haida, you can see the hair. Hair, cheese. Hair za'atar. Then hair pizza. So I knew that this was chocolate.
According to your calculations, yeah.
According to my
I like to collect
calculations,
kami.
you are so.
I wanna check if how it's inside. Like this. Oh, ang ganda guys. Oh.
It's really delicious. The chocolate is more delicious.
Yeah, Mama, don't. Sasaw na.
It would be so nice food combination.
True.
Mama, it's not plain, yeah, Mama.
It's okay. I'm the food combination master. This is very nice. I need tissue. How about the cheese and labne?
Gutubingan.
How about cheese and labne? How about both of them? All of them. No, but Sanjay, food mixing is nice with these types.
Sasaw na. Apo, Diyos ko. Sasaw na. Nga da ito iba. Masika. Sarap guys. Cheese ito.
You put cream.
Sarap ng cheese.
You put cream.
Basahin ko nga yung message ni Mister. Kasi nakatulog nga ako.
Ooh, extra mommy. Can you make the rice sharia or without the sharia?
You actually out there.
In rice, I think it's cherry, Mama.
No, with the spinach sharia. Can you make it sharia? Okay.
Hala, put the clothes in the salon, in clean salon, ha?
Kian will do the salad because I'm doing the room.
Sigma.
I mean, you fix first the salon, the clothes, remove. Then I need to go buy
Kian will
things.
do it.
Mama, you will help to each other.
But I'm cleaning the room first. I'm not done.
Help ate to put the clothes.
What will I do in the salon?
Clean the table like you do, bro.
Clean the table, Mama.
Did
okay?
you get?
Hala, I will get. And to buy stuff, too much.
And how he will clean the table?
Wait, but why?
Sure. But at the space. A little.
Listen, you do the salon, I do the room.
You did the kitchen, I do the corridor. You did the outside, I do the
I
house.
come early.
You did the whole planet, I do the kitchen.
I
I
buy
do the-
water. I don't know how I hold this. I
Don't
go to
get
the...
down, get there. I go other side.
What if Teta will come?
Labas
Labas ako guys, bili ako ng spinach kasi gagawa ako bukas yung itinda namin. Order ng madam, tapos yung sa market. Hindi ako, si madam lang nag-order ng spinach. Ay, nag-order siya dalawa. Spinach at saka Spanish. Hi guys! Andito na po ako sa bahay. Nakabili na po ako and nag-message ang asawa ko. Sabi niya, konti daw yung ginawa kong pandesal. They like it a lot. Sabi niya. Nag-message siya sa akin. Tapos dagdagan ko daw next day. Ay, nagustuhan daw yung pandesal natin. Okay. So, ito yung binili kong spinach. Gawa tayo para kay madam bukas. And then, yung kalahati, yung 2 kilo ito, para sa amin, pang lunch namin. Okay. Ayan. Nag-update ang asawa ko. And yun ang update niya. They like it a lot, sabi niya. Yung pandesal natin guys na may feeling sa loob. Yay! Yan ako. Siguro yun na ulit ang gagawin ko. Pero kay madam, yung Spanish na style. Anyway. Okay. Happy na naman ako. Okay. Message si Mister. Nag-update siya. Sabi niya, kung kailan daw na maliit yung ginawa ko, konti yung ginawa ko, yun naman daw na, nag-aasila. Sabi ko, akala daw niya kasi, ayaw nila kasi nga round siya. Nagustuhan naman daw. Okay, the next time gagawa ako ng marami. Thank God naman at nagustuhan, may option na sila. kain na po tayo. Nakaluto na po si Mami Laura. And si Sayan, katatapos niya lang nag-ayos sa loob. Inayos niya ang damit namin. Thank you.
Don't forget Kian.
Kian kami. Dalawa pala sila nag-ayos sa ano habang nagluluto ako dito. Ayan na, sige na. Kain na tayo. Ito pala yung rice. Ayan, rice. And then ito yung spinach. Yala. Spinach and rice. Tignan nyo, 1 kilo. 1 kilo itong binili ko. Konti lang yung, ano oh. Konti lang siya. Isang buwan lang.
When Daddy and Jet gonna go to the gym in the school, and then he's but I'm definitely not right. Very hot.
Yummy?
Very hot and yummy, but very hot more. Bang 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 bang.
Nakainin mo lahat yan.
Cold? I feel hot. I feel cold. A little. Jed, I don't know how you feel cold. No, Jed, I don't know how I feel cold, but before I don't feel cold. And you feel cold, but now you don't feel cold. I never was cold. I never was cold. Then you were joking. Okay, how about...
Yala, eat mama, it stop.
How about you were short?
Hi guys, katatapos ko lang pinalakad ang mga aso ko. And yun, nag-message ang asawa ko. Iniwan ko kasi itong cellphone ko. Ang dami niyang message. Sabi niya, oh, Han, you know, it's still only 5 pieces. Yung ginawa nating pandesal guys, 5 na lang ang natira. Ang aga-aga pa lang, 3:24 na dito. So, nag-message siya around 2:58. So, yun, kararating ko lang. Ala, masaya ako kasi nagustuhan nila yung ano natin, pandesal. 5 pieces na lang daw ang natira. Sabi niya, and it's more attractive. I don't know why, sabi niya, and it's more attractive. Sabi niya. Ala, ayan, message niya, guys. Ala, sabi niya, next time damihan ko daw kasi gusto nila. Yung ano guys, pandesal na yun na nga, yung ginawa ko kaninang umaga. Ala. Okay. You admit I always right, sabi ko. sabi niya kasi, ano baka ayaw, kasi nga nasanay na sila sa Spanish. Tapos, yun yung sabi niya. You know, Han, sabi niya, still only 5 pieces. You were right, sabi niya. In this shape, it's more delicious daw. Sabi niya, parehas lang naman. 20 okay, ayan. Nag-order ako ng cheese kay George. Mamaya ipasabay niya dito sa bahay. Okay, okay. Ay nako, nawawala na naman ako. Kino-confirm ko lang yung order ng asawa ko kasi ano, dalawang tao ang anuhan namin bukas. Pag ang tawag ito, dalawang tao ang nag-order. So, yung bukas 10 o'clock, sabi ng asawa ko, wag ko daw gawin yung si sir, yung order niya kasi 10 o'clock daw mag-open yung shop niya. Si madam, yun yung maaga kasi kailangan niya ng maaga kasi sa ano kung saan niya ibebenta yung ano early daw. Umaga daw marami ng tao sa shop nila. Kaya ang gagawin ko muna is yung kay madam. Tapos bukas yun yung gagawin ko kasi 10 o'clock naman. Maaga na lang ako gigising and then alam nyo, madali lang yung kay sir. Ito kasi kay madam may fatire, medyo mahirap. Kaya yun. Chat si Mr. Nililista ko kung ano yung gagawin ko ba. Ayan. Mahirap ito gawin. Pero okay lang. Wala namang madali sa pagkain eh. Diba guys? Pakita ko sa inyo yung nagawa ko na kanina pa. Ito. Okay. And yan. Okay. Ayan. Yung mga para sa mga bata, may chocolate yan at cheese. Thank God. Tapos na naman ako. Oh my God. Thank God. Oh my God. Kailangan ko nang mag-rest. Sige guys, good night! At maraming salamat din po sa mga nag-send ng thanks sa mga videos namin. Maraming salamat po. God bless you all. And sa lahat po ng nanonood, laging nagko-comments, nagsusubscribe, all subscribers, mga commentors natin na laging nandyan. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. And God bless you all. See you bukas po. Good night. Thank you.